Many people speak English correctly, but they still sound basic because of limited vocabulary. Today, I will teach you simple word upgrades you can start using immediately. Vocabulary is what makes your English sound fluent, confident, and professional. Let's begin with common expressions. Instead of saying very good, say excellent or outstanding. Instead of saying very bad, say terrible or unacceptable. Let's talk about emotions. Instead of saying very angry, say frustrated. Using the right words helps people understand you better. It also makes you sound more confident. Let's look at work and daily conversation. Instead of saying very busy, say overwhelmed. These words are simple, but they sound more natural and advanced. The goal is not to use difficult words. The goal is to choose better words. Confidence in English grows with practice. Practice using one new word each day. If you want to improve your vocabulary and speak English confidently, keep learning with me. Also like, share, and subscribe here for daily English improvement and practice.